Behind this tree, we have combustion. Combustion meaning fire. We have fire. Take away one, no more fire. For example, if you have burning wood, take away wood, no more fire. Aywa? No more fire. So meaning, if we take away one of the tree, you will harara, heat, and oxygen. We extinguish fire. We remove fire. So there are other ways. So for example, we have classification of fire depending on the fuel. The first classification is class A. Class A is ordinary fire. Ordinary fire meaning burning wood, depending on fuel, wood, paper, carbon, cardboard. This is ordinary fire. Class B, liquid fire, liquid fuel, gasoline, oil, something. Just liquid fire, that is class B. Class C fire is electrical fire. Electrical fire class C. Class D is metal fire. Metal fire. Any combustible metal, it is class D. Class D. So metal, combustible metal is magnesium, titanium, potassium. These are combustible metal. So there are four classes. Class A, ordinary fire. Remember this one, which is cassium, wood, paper, ordinary fire. Class B, liquid fire, gasoline, oil, something like that. C, electrical fire. D, metal fire, combustible metal. Now they added one more, class K. Class K is kitchen fire. So these four types, different fire extinguishers. This fire extinguisher in this class, actually this is class ABC only. ABC, because there is two types of fire extinguisher. One is the dry chemical, and the other one is the clean agent. Like both of them we have here. Dry chemical powder, like this one powder. The dry agent is like carbon dioxide. Okay, when you see fire, first don't panic. First don't panic. You look for the fire extinguisher. See the fire extinguisher? We have the handle, we have the pin, we have the body, we have the nozzle. Hose and the nozzle. So what you will do, and we have one volunteer. So first, remove the pin. Aywa. When you remove the pin, you can depress the handle. Okay? Then you hold the nozzle and depress. Depress. Like that. When you hold the For example, fire, diba? You feet away. If you are extinguishing fire, don't move on the extinguished area. Like that one, still on fire. The extinguished area will still put up fire. You cannot go. So better, you aim from the base.